Hello students, my Chiranjit Ghosh. I am the lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department of Shantinidhi Institute of Polytechnic. Today I will discuss about the control system. So at first we will discuss what is control system. The control system is basically a two types, which will be a linear control system and another is a non-linear control system. The linear control system, which will be it does not depend on the time, and the non-linear control system, which will be dependent on time. For our syllabus we will discuss about the linear control system. So the linear control system, there are two types, which will be a open loop control system and another is a open loop control and another is a closed loop control system. So what is open loop control system and what is closed loop control system? At first we will show the block diagram of the open loop control system. These are the block diagram of open loop control system, which will be one is the input, and another CT is the output, and this is the gain function. This function is the control action, which will be also called as gain. Basically, sorry, this G is a small g, it's not a capital G, because this is a time domain function. Okay, so RT is a input and CT is a output and G is the gain. So what is the definition of open loop control system? The open loop control system is that in open loop control system, the output signal is controlled by the input signal through a control action, but the output signal is not affected through a control action. No detector present here. So what is open loop control system? In open loop control system, the output signal is controlled by the input signal through a control action. So in open loop control system, this is open loop control system, this is the output function and this is the input function. So we can say in open loop control system, the output signal, this output signal is controlled by the input signal, by this input signal through a control action. Okay, but the output signal is not affected, this output signal is not affected through a control action. Through this control action, no error detector present here, because there is no any error detector. Okay, so what is the example? What is the example of open loop control system? The examples are lift, washing machine, coffee, bread toaster, etc. So this is the open loop control system. Now what is closed loop control system? This is the closed loop control system. Here The closed loop control system is small amount different of a open loop control system, because here we will see that there is a feedback and there is a error signal. It is means a error signal, CT is the output signal, here is the RT which will be input signal. So what is output or open loop control system? In closed loop control system, in closed loop control system, the output signal is affected by control action through feedback signal. So closed loop control system is called feedback control system. So what is closed loop control system? In closed loop control system, the output signal is affected by a control action through a feedback signal. Okay, in open loop control system, we will see that the output, this output signal, it is not affected through an input signal, because there is no any feedback or any measuring elements. But in closed loop control system there is a feedback. This feedback helps to affect the control action through a feedback signal. So closed loop control system is called a feedback control system. The example of this of the closed loop control system are automobile driving system, temperature control, system, voltage stabilizer, etc. So this is the concept of an open loop control system and closed loop control system. So at first we can say that the control system, there is a two types: linear control system and non-linear control system. A linear control system which will be does not depend on time, and a non-linear control system which will depend on time. Now the linear control system, which will be divided into two parts: open loop control system, and another is a closed loop control system. The open loop control system is a so what is the open loop control system? The open loop control system is the output signal the output signal is controlled by the input signal through a control action, but the output signal is not affected through the control action. No error detector present here. Because of no error detector is present here. What is the example? The example of the open loop control systems are lift, washing machine, bread toaster, etc. And what is closed loop control system? The closed loop control system, which will be a output signal is affected by a control action through a feedback signal, because here is a feedback signal is present, where in open loop control system there is no any feedback control system. So that is why the output cannot be affected by the input. But in closed loop control system, the output can be affected through the input. The output can be affected by the help of this feedback signal. So This closed loop control system is also called a feedback control system. Thank you for watching.